Hello guys, welcome back to DC Pictures. This is my new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's check out the unboxing of this device. I got my laptop from Amazon India for 1,82,000 rupees after availing HDFC Bank credit card discount. This is the base variant. It has i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 GB SSD. We have the MacBook itself. Let's keep this aside as of now. Followed by Apple stickers, some warranty information. This is the 96-watt charging brick and the 2-meter USB-C cable. Let's open up this beauty. I will be using this Mac extensively and I will be posting a lot of videos in the future. Please subscribe to DC Pictures for more videos on Mac.